Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to enable apps notification in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to enable your app notification, so as you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable app notification in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your apps notification. Then guys, scroll it. Just click on your notification setting. As app setting, and as you can see notification history, so we tap here and guys tap here and all apps. So which app notification guys you want to enable, like guys Chrome notification, guys career service notification, and guys you can see guys your Gboard notification, Gmail notification you want to enable, Google notification you want to enable it, like that guys map notification and lens notifications, like that guys, like WhatsApp notification guys you want to enable, so guys you can enable from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable app notification in our vivo phone guys. So you will have to click on this right side to enable it. So you can see this blue icon, so means your app notification is in disable or enable it. And guys you can see guys your app notification here when a notification will come. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable app notification in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic.